Welcome to this 10-minute meditation for letting go of negative feelings and thoughts. Holding on to these negative emotions will only destroy your health and happiness, keeping you from fully enjoying life and draining you of energy. So let us get rid of these destructive thoughts and emotions so that you can be free and happy. If you want to make meditation a part of your daily routine to help create emotional balance, you may want to check out my Meditation for Beginners course. The link is in the description below. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath to clear your mind and body. So inhale deeply and exhale fully. Breathing in fresh air and breathing out stress and tension. One last time, breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply. Now in your mind's eye, picture a small wooden box in front of you. This is for your emotions and thoughts, so that you can release them from your body and let them go. So breathe into your emotions, those feelings of sadness and depression. And as you breathe out, see yourself breathing out a dark cloud of pollution. This cloud leaves your body and gets sucked into the wooden box. Let go of this energy. It is not benefiting you in any way. So breathe in deeply, breathing into those destructive emotions. And then once again, breathe out this dark cloud of negative energy. The wooden box pulls the energy inside of it, getting it away from you so that you can be happy once again. Keep breathing out this negative energy and those polluting thoughts that are making you sad, worried, and anxious. Get rid of those energies as you breathe out this dark cloud of pollution. Put it inside the wooden box and allow yourself to be free. Let go of the hurt. Let go of the pain. and let go of the negativity. Release it from your body and breathe it out so that you can be free once again. Put it inside this wooden box so that it can no longer hurt you. Just let go and allow yourself to heal. Now close the box and put a lock on it, keeping those emotions away from you. Then breathe in deeply and imagine that you are breathing in this bright blue healing energy from the air around you. Fill your body with this healing light and let it bring peace to your heart. So keep breathing in this light of healing and pure love. Then take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Allow yourself to be free of hurt, guilt, and negativity. Allow your body and mind to heal so that you can be happy and healthy, able to fully enjoy your wonderful life. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my Meditation for Beginners course in the description below. I am J Bittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.